This might be the most honest video I've ever made. I've been working so hard, scripting, filming, editing, uploading, and still barely 20 views. Sometimes 3 views, no comments, no growth. This week, I asked myself a question I didn't think I would ask this early. Should I quit YouTube? You hear all the advice. Be consistent. Improve your thumbnails. Make valuable content. I tried. Have been learning, studying, pushing myself. But every video feels like screaming into the void. Sometimes I ask myself, what's the point if no one is watching? I sat at my desk a few nights ago and stared at the screen. I had a full video ready to go, but I paused thinking, why am I even doing this if it's not working? I didn't upload that video. I nearly walked away from all of this. But then something small happened. I got a comment. One comment. Just one person said, "Thank you. This helped me." I'm going to be attaching it for you guys to see the comments. And that reminded me, even if it's just one person, it's worth it. We forget that every big channel started with 0. Every channel creator felt like this at some point. So no, it's not the end of YouTube for me. I'm just getting started. I've even changed the way I think about this platform. I'm not chasing viral hits anymore. I'm building slowly, brick by brick. Instead of trying to impress the algorithm, I'm focusing on helping real people. People like you watching this right now. If you have ever felt like quitting, you're not alone. You don't suck. You are just early. Keep posting. Keep experimenting. Keep improving. The people you are trying to reach, they just haven't found you yet. Drop a comment below if you have felt this way too. I want to connect with other small creators who are still pushing. And if you are still here, thank you. It means more than you know. Subscribe if you're on this journey too. I'll be documenting every win, every fail, and everything I've learned. Let's grow together. Thank you so much for watching. And with Nneka.